Hello everyone, I hope you all fine in these tough times. I am art teacher, Jinnaram School, Telangana Tribal Welfare School. I completed Master in Fine Arts in Painting Department. I got State Award in Batik Painting. In this COVID period, and I am giving the art classes training and Batik paintings. Now I will show my Batik paintings, original Batik cloths. One by one I will show. This is the original Batik cloth. This is horse, running horses. See the Batik paintings, the beauty. Original cloth will come on cotton cloth and apply the wax line. I will explain the process, everything. First you can observe the running horses image. Next one, this one. Village people. See the village bulls and this one. One more. This is a village woman selling some musical instruments like this. Here bullock and village farmer. And the beauty of the Batik, you see, you can observe. This is, observe the beauty of the Batik. The cracks is beauty, and this one tribal woman Lambadi, and you can observe the image. The cracks, Batik cracks, you will observe. See, number of cracks will come. Once this painting will next time will not possible. This is only once time. One. See, this is a village woman making buttas. See, one more after framing, you see, this is the Batik beauty. You can observe here the cracks. These cracks will come once. Next time this will not possible. You can apply the wax in white area, it will save. Next yellow, you can save the color yellow. Apply the each time you can apply the wax, and the cracks will come natural. If you do same painting again, this is impossible. The beauty will cracks. This is only once is possible. This is after framing, it will look like this. See, this is a Batkama in Telangana, traditional Batkama, like this. After framing, it will look like this. Batkama and trees, village. After festival, we are going all are in riverside, showing this in Batik. You can observe the cracks. This is the main beauty. See, after framing, it will look like this. The Batik will come on cotton cloth, white cotton cloth. We apply the colors number of times, then the beauty will come like this. I will explain the process, everything. 1 minute. This one, after framing, see, running horses. This one. See, nowadays people will not know this culture, the generation. So we are making this kind of paintings, village grinding, and you know the drummers, culture of the Telangana culture, some drummers. So we will painting, next generation will watch this kind of painting. We know Praveen sir, R.S. Praveen Kumar sir, in the Secretary of Tribal Welfare and Social Welfare. We do in Batik painting, the cracks and everything. Now we will explain traditional paintings of India. Madhubani paintings. Madhubani paintings Bihar, Varli paintings Maharashtra, miniature paintings Rajasthan, Ganjifa paintings Mysore, Tanjavur paintings Tamil Nadu, Patachitra paintings Orissa, Cheryala paintings Telangana, Kalankari paintings Andhra Pradesh, Batik paintings Telangana. These traditional paintings in each state, different type of paintings will available. Now we will explain Batik painting. I got state award in Batik painting. I received it from Telangana government. These are the Batik paintings, original Batik painting, women cultivation. This painting I got state award. In front of king, women are performing dance performance. This painting I selected in Batik painting award. It's Buddha and Mahatma Gandhi. Now we will explain history of Batik paintings. History of Batik painting first started in Egypt, 4th century. This is a wax resisting dyeing fabric art form. It already existed in Egypt in 4th century BC. In these paintings we used it in mummies, wrap up the mummies, line and soaked in wax. This art Batik mostly highly developed in island of Java in Indonesia. Java is one of the place in Indonesia. It is first originated, developed Batik in Indonesia. Even president also wear this Batik dress as dress code. Compulsory Batik will wear president. Batik art form slowly originated Malaysia and Sri Lanka and then India. Nandalal Bose's daughter introduced Batik art form in India at Shantiniketan School, Calcutta. Jagadish Mittal learned this technique from Shantiniketan School and brought this Batik art form to Telangana. Batik is developed in Telangana by Lakshma Gaud, Rajaya Balai. I will explain the details. What is Batik is important. Batik means, stick means you apply the wax drop by drop on cotton cloth. This technique originated from Indonesia and apply the wax line dot by dot lines. Indonesian Batik received UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage Award. Famous Batik artist in India, Nandalal Bose's daughter is introduced Batik art form. Jagadish Mittal sir learned this technique. This is the number one video showing this image. Jagadish Mittal is an art collector and buyer, and he has learned this technique in Calcutta Shantiniketan School. In Telangana, we teach and learn this technique. Lakshma Gaud sir, Kapu Rajaya is one of the famous artists in Siddipet. Next one, Balaya Yasala and this Prakash Yasala, his father and son, is give Batik breathe life into this art form. Now this both Balaya Yasala and Prakash Yasala continue this tradition Batik art form. These two persons continue this art form. This all the Batik art form is linguistic craft form. Linguistic means is no one is continuing this art form. Only 2-3 members are continuing this art form. So government is encouraging most of these art forms. Balaya is received national award in Batik. So people are calling Batik Balaya. I will explain procedure of Batik paintings and the what kind of materials we need. One by one I will explain. Number one, see here, yellow color wax, white paraffin. In home we used liquid paraffin candle wax. This one. In home we are available liquid paraffin. It's processed on petroleum chemical basis. In home we used candles, candle waxes. Next one, yellow color beeswax. This one yellow color. This one extracted honey pulp. You know the honey. This one extracted honey pulp. After melting, boiling, it will form this yellow color. This one original wax. Yellow beeswax we told. Like this. This yellow beeswax. Now I will explain the pen. We used Batik pen. This one specially we made. This one specialized Batik pen. Only in Telangana south side we used. We made this Batik pen, but in Malaysia, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, we used another different pen. Most of the people are asking England people and coming in Telangana asking to me, this pen is very beautiful. We are not available in market. It is very beautiful, but very fine works will come. this painting my father and developed this pen. I will explain the what is the first you take the wood. This is the wood. When wood we make the hole here. Here this side I make the hole. See one I am showing which side hole. The T and U shape pin we can fix in here whole side, and you can rub the not the thread round and round crosswise. See thread normal you can have a thread, you can like thread by the hand. Why you are using thread? Because when the dip on the melted wax, this is the liquid. I will explain the both liquid wax, this one yellow color wax and this one paraffin, with both mix in 50-50% in the bowl, kept on the bowl, and after melting the wax it will solid to liquid will form. When you can use that time you can use pen, dip the batik pen here and draw the wax line outlines. I will show the one of the image also outlines. Procedure of batik painting. See first main any art form is important, line drawing. When you draw the lines, without line drawing is impossible. So batik also important. Who will know the line drawing, who perfect in line drawing, easily batik will learn this technique. See first is important batik line drawing. I am showing the line drawing images, Lambadi women's dancing performance. This is batik Batkama line drawing. And after line drawing you can tracing the cloth, you can use carbon paper. First draw the outline. Suppose you can take the running horses, draw the outline on white paper, normal paper, and trace the, you can help of the carbon paper. Use carbon papers, trace the cloth on help of the carbon paper. After tracing the outline will come like this. Batik sketch after tracing. See I explain the melted wax, put on the bowl 50-50% wax and put on the stove. See, after melting, see like slowly is melting, you can dip the pen, apply the, see I am applying the wax line. After tracing the horse's image, you are drawing the melted wax line. Why I am using wax line? We are saving the white color in the outline. These are the Medak church. I am making the wax outline. After making our wax outline like this. This one Edupayala Jatara is famous in Medak district. Edupayala image, this one outline. See the stones and everything. After line drawing you can use the help of the brush. This one brush. This is the brush. You can apply the wax on where you want white area. You can apply the like this. Apply a wax on white area. You can use like this. On white area you can apply wax. Next, what is dyeing? Dyeing means adding a color or changing the color by soaking in a solution impregnant with a dye. There are two types of dyeing with hot and cold water. Here you can observe the coloring process. We are going to cool color to dark color. Cool means white color. Next we may use yellow. Next red, brown, black. Next this is the cool color process. Again I am explaining white color, next yellow color, red color, brown color. Cool to dark color we are using in batik. Another process I am hot to dark color, white, blue, black. So you can coloring process where you use the, in batik we are using cool colors, dark colors. I am explaining yellow color dyeing. See here yellow color dyeing. I am when of the completed white wax lining, you dip the on color process. One is a ochre and one is main primary color. Whenever yellow color, how you make the yellow color? You use naphthalene based colors. Yellow AT, red B. One side you can use one bowl, yellow ochre and one is primary main color. Ochre side we are using AT and red B, and color side we are using caustic nitrate alum red B. When after completing white wax line, you dip the in bucket, then the white color will form to yellow color. After yellow color you can dry, after dry you can apply the wax with help of the brush. Then you can wherever you apply the wax line, you are saving the colors. Simply you can understand the applying wax, you can saving the colors. Next yellow to you are going to red color. So red color you can dyeing after dry, then you can apply where you want wax red color, you can again apply the wax. See here, observe the help of the brush, I am using wax. I want 1 horse red, 1 horse white. So one is back side, you can observe the white horse, the wax is applied. The red color, I want the red color, again I apply the wax in red area. So you are saving the red color. After completing brown color, black color, you can how to remove the wax? You removing the wax when dip the boil water. After boil water, you dip the cloth on the boil water. Slowly some amount wax will removed. This is the most laborious process, removing wax. In Batik, most of the people will interested, and whenever the seeing the removing wax difficult process, so people are not interested when in this laborious process. This is more difficult process in removing wax. When they dip the boil of heat water, and the wax will slowly remove. Again washing and number of times, the wax will completed will remove. The final Batik beauty I am showing, already I showed the beauty of the Batik. In Telangana, after I completed this one, after completed, final output will come like this. See, this is the final output, horses, running horses. Observe the beauty, one is white color, one is red color, one is yellow, and we are applying all areas wax saving. Then final we dip the boil water, the wax will remove, the beauty will come. So the white area will cracks will come, more cracks will come. The final output after completing, we apply the brush lines, black lines. In Telangana government buying these paintings, Lepakshi Handicrafts Emporium, and my collections in Department Language Culture Ravindra Bharati, in CM Camp Office Pragati Bhavan, he selected my painting Buddha Meditation, Pupil Tree, and NIMSIMI National Institute of Micro Small Scale Enterprises, my paintings will displayed. And wherever I go, but encouraging is more appreciate my paintings. And this art form, my intention will continue this art form in future generations. Present I am employed in art teacher, but I am teaching the Batik in tribal peoples. You will learn this technique. Most of the people are interested, and it will my aim is record will Guinness record will making ambition Batik, big painting. Now will in Telangana, first Jagadish Mittal sir learn this painting. After Lakshma Gaud will learn this technique into by Balaya, Batik Balaya. He continued this tradition to further generations. In this we most of the paintings, village life, rural life, and urban people, village people's women cultivation and making buttas, that type of paintings we make it. I will okay. Now I am showing how to the Batik painting process. I will explain. Please observe. This one white paraffin, and now I am showing the yellow beeswax. It is natural wax, and apply bees color wax. Mainly tribal people make this wax. See, this is a bowl. White wax and yellow wax, melted wax will mix in bowl. 50% we use it. Whenever put on the stove, that wax will melted. This is a specialized Batik pen. We dip in Batik pen in the bowl and draw the outline. See the outline horses drawing. First we apply on the white paper drawing with the help of the drawing pencil. After tracing, cloth will come horses image. This white cotton cloth we always use it in batik drawing. After sketching, tracing will come. This is the batik pen, dipping batik pen. Melted wax, you can apply the wherever the tracing line, you can draw that line. Observe the line. We are saving the white line outline. You can observe Malaysia, Sri Lanka, other paintings. This outline will not making. Only specialized Telangana batik pen, batik outline is possible here. In Calcutta also is possible. See, slowly we will draw the outline. That RC outline will drawing. Mostly women are doing this line, beautiful line drawings. Control is important in line drawing. The eyes, we are drawing eyes. This is the line drawing. Now is completed the wax lining. Now you are saving the outline. After completing lining, you can use help brush. This outline is completed. The outline also dyeing completed time will breaking will line will possible. See here I am helping using the brush and apply the wax. Here saving the white color. You can before plan one, you can ask one is white, one is yellow, one is red. The planning is important. Now we are applying dyeing. Is a Ukar color. When dip the Ukar color, after completing the dye dip the color, then will come. Without Ukar color will not come. This yellow color is completed. See white will be visible in transparency. Now you are using apply wax where you want yellow color, again you apply the wax. Then the next color is the red color. Now again apply the red color dyeing. This is a Ukar red color. And now will red color slowly will come red color. See this one the red color. Again you apply the wax and where you want red color. And before I am planning, one is white horse, one is red color horse, one is yellow color horse, like that. This is the dipping the cloth on boiled water. This removing the wax. Slowly we will remove the wax and washing the cloth one by one, step by step is remove the wax. This is the final batik. This is the final batik, and government of Telangana and India government also is encouraging this art form. So people are learning in tribal school. People are more interested in learning this technique. And when my exhibition's formation day last 2 years back, CM KCR sir also visited my exhibition, and cultural departments Ravindra Bharati, Harikrishna sir also is encouraging this art form. CM KCR sir is appreciated my artwork and selected my painting Buddha meditation, and number of people are like this my painting. In England women will come and see my batik painting. Siddipeta is coming to my painting, is appreciated my father. His name Indian Picasso. That women say, you are an master in Indian Picasso. My father given the appreciation. So we observed batik paintings in Malaysia. People also learning my techniques. In Telangana, peoples and other peoples will go and learn the technique in Malaysian batik, but here that Malaysian artist will come and see my batik paintings. He appreciated, your batik paintings are more beautiful, and that time we very most happy. And the State Art Gallery Madhapur also displayed my paintings. Telangana government will give the trainings, institutions will run these institutions, will helpful you. So main the batik beauty is the cracks. See here observe the cracks. This one white cloth, there is a white cracks. See how many colors will go and dip here. Brown color will enter and yellow color will cracks will come. See, and we are applying the red color here. See, black will red and will go this one. And after completing batik, we washing and dry the process. You can ironing is important. Completing do the ironing, and the beauty will make the outline. We'll see the observe here eyes. You make the black pen and draw the outlines. See here eyes is after only you are using an eyes area we draw the outline. Some areas will draw the outlines. See the blue color here applied and green colors. Main the black background is we are using. After framing will look like this. These are the batik paintings. In Warangal, Cheryala paintings also making. Telangana, Siddipeta is famous batik, and Medak district church also we make in batik. In batik we make rural life paintings, women cultivations and bullock cart, this kind of paintings we make. Thank you for giving this opportunity for Telangana government and social welfare, tribal welfare school management. Thank you, sir.